How to motion blur in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can motion blur in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and open the project that you want to work on. And once you open the project, now you simply have to just click this project over here. First add it to the track by clicking this plus sign and click it, and then under the video section you'll see this basic section. Scroll through and you'll find this option that says motion blur, and once you find this option you have to just click this over here, just turn it on, and then you can see the processing over here. Now make sure you have the pro version available because it is only available in the pro version. So once you join the pro version you'll be able to use this pro version feature. Now you can adjust the blur intensity and the blend intensity, and you can choose direction and speed by clicking this drop down menu, and then you can also choose the speed over here. Now once done, you'll be able to add the motion blur to your project. And the other option that you can use to add motion blur to your project in Capcut PC is that you go to this effects option and then choose video effects, and then you have to click this search for effects option over here, and here you have to type in motion blur and then press enter. And once you press enter, it's going to load these resources for you. And now you can see you have this motion blur over here, and if you scroll down you will see more options as well. Just choose the most specific one and download it by clicking this arrow over here, and then you have to click this plus sign and add it to your video. And you can see it has added this motion blur, but this is also a pro version feature, so make sure that you have the pro version. Only then you can access these pro version features. So you can click this plus sign and add it to your video project. You can also move ahead and add it anywhere that you want. And that's how you add motion blur in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.